Most people wake up every morning to an alarm they don't want to hear, rushing to a job they don't love, just to earn a paycheck that barely covers the bills. It's a cycle, one that drains your time, energy, and dreams. But what if there was another way? Financial freedom isn't just about money, it's about choice. It's about mindset. The choice to wake up when you want, to work on projects that excite you, and to spend more time with your family, traveling, or simply enjoying life. It's about breaking free from the 9-to-5 rat race and building something that works for you, not the other way around. I'm on a mission to achieve true financial freedom, using AI, blockchain, social media, and the power of digital assets. This will be the beginning of my journey. I don't have all the answers, and I'm not pretending to be an expert. But what I do have is drive, curiosity, and the willingness to take action. I believe that crypto, blockchain, and AI tools can open doors to opportunities that were never possible before, and I want to bring you along for the ride. Imagine waking up one day knowing you no longer need a paycheck to survive. That every day belongs to you. That's the goal. And if you're tired of feeling trapped, of trading your time for money, then I invite you to follow my journey. Let's learn, grow, and build wealth together. No shortcuts, no hype, just a real journey towards financial freedom. Subscribe, follow, and let's escape the rat race together. Welcome to Financial Freedom. Follow my journey.